Alright guys, welcome to another wonderful Golden's Cast Iron video. I'm your host, or co-host. I'm here with my daughter Ella.
And today we are going to be making a family favorite, hot dogs and s'mores.
I love a hot dog over a fire, do you?
Yes.
Okay, well good. Well, we have a few different options here. Do you want a jalapeno cheddar brat?
I'll take a regular one.
You're going to take a regular one. Alright, well here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, so Ella, tell me what your first memory is around, fire pit or making s'mores and hot dogs around a fire.
Well, being around a fire pit, we always go firefly catching. Because they're always out around this time we go have a fire.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's fun. And then with s'mores, it's always fun when they're always ooey and gooey and get all over you.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love a messy s'more. That's
right.
great.
Messier the better.
The messier the better indeed. So let me see your technique here for you. I'm more of kind of an up and just let it spin type. Now you seem to be more of like, I'm directly in the flame type. Is that your deal?
Well, when I make s'mores, I put it more in the bottom part, so I guess that's just how I feel with making hot dogs.
Yeah. But isn't it nice for this fire pit that you can just lay the angle down and just let it rest? You can leave it.
Yeah.
So, good. Well, we're going to sit here and roast off some of these wonderful hot dogs, and then we'll have them here in a minute. These don't take too long. So just hang out, watch a little fun B-roll, and we'll be right back with the finished edition. Does that sound good to you?
Yep.
All right. Sounds great to me. Say goodnight, Ella.
Good night.
Ella.
So what are some neat things about the fire pit here?
So these fire pits are actually based off of sugar kettles that we made.
Sugar kettle. Now what's that?
So if you were a farmer in the late 1800s, generally you had patches of sugar cane. So you'd harvest the sugar cane, and then you would have a mule that would walk around one of our cane mills, and it was a big thing that had these press rollers inside, right?
Interesting, yeah.
So the sugar cane would go in, and it would squeeze the juice out, and the juice would run down into one of these. Now, with those, they didn't have any holes in the bottom, because the juice would just fall right out, right?
Yeah.
With these, with those, it was just a solid bottom. So they had, instead of the fire being inside of it, the fire was underneath it. So with that, they would build a fire underneath, and they would fill it up with juice, and then they would boil the sugarcane juice down to a syrup.
Oh.
And there's other steps and processes that they would have to do, but this was something that people would come for miles to help certain families out with, and it was a big family event. And Golden's Foundry, or Golden's Cast Iron, has been making them. Well, we made them from 1882 up until about World War II.
Wow.
But they're still in use in farms and fields all over the Southeast, and actually all over the world still today. Isn't that pretty cool?
It is, yeah. Very.
So what do you love most about hot dogs?
I don't know.
Do you feel like it's the all-American treat?
I think it depends on what's put on it.
What do you put on your?
I put ketchup and mustard and pickles. But
Pickles.
What
Now
do you
in Chicago, well, I'm just kind of I'm a weirdo sometimes. I like to put slaw on mine, right?
Right.
Pickles. If I don't have slaw, I'll put mayonnaise. I know it's really gross, but I'm just a weirdo. Mayonnaise and ketchup, but not really mustard all that much. Depends. Now in Chicago, they put all kinds of crazy stuff on their hot dogs. You ever had a Chicago dog?
Nope, I haven't. What's it like?
So Chicago, they put relish, tomatoes, chili. I'm sure I'm missing a few things, and there's probably some folks out in Chicagoland that are mad that I'm missing some things. But hot dogs are regional, right? Here in Columbus, we have scrambled dogs, right?
Right. Yeah.
Right? That's a treat unto itself. Chili, oyster crackers, and kinds of good stuff. Onions, American cheese.
Lots and lots of stuff.
Lots and lots of stuff. They told me they were going to give me the recipe to the Dinglewood chili.
Did they now?
They did tell me that, but I was going to have to give up a few family heirlooms in order to get it. and I wasn't necessarily comfortable.
Yeah.
As it goes.
Having food or having the family heirlooms.
That's right. That's right. And kind of go both. But this Golden's cast iron fire pit is a family heirloom, right?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it great? So this is something that you will be able to pass down to your grandchildren, because your grandfather will pass this one down to one of us.
Because they last forever, last a lifetime and more.
That's right. That's right. Well, what do you think? Are these hot dogs done? You think?
Probably.
Probably.
I hear it sizzling.
You
when
hear
the
it
juice
sizzling.
hits
Well,
the ground.
let's do this. Let me get a bun for you.
Okay.
You know, these are wonderful, right? That's what they say. They're wonderful buns. The smoke is not wonderful.
Mm-mm. Yeah, I think the worst part probably is when the smoke is in your eyes and you're making it.
That's the sizzle that you're looking for.
Thank
One for you. Go ahead and doll that up.
Okay. What are you gonna put on your hot dog?
Well,
All this
I
stuff?
don't know. I'm gonna put some of that stuff on there. There's some horseradish cream sauce that looks pretty good that I'm probably gonna do.
I think ketchup is just a
Ketchup is way
traditional thing to put on your
traditional
hot
thing.
dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't burn my fingers. There.
Oh my goodness! It came
Did it come out all over you?
That's the worst when it's like already when it's already. Oh,
Excuse you.
oh my. Ugh.
No.
I'll wait for you and then we can have the
You're gonna wait
first.
for me? Okay.
Mhm.
Good. We're gonna have the bites together.
Yes.
Okay. Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
See?
See?
Exactly.
Exactly. And
It's nice that the fire isn't too big, because when the fire gets too big.
Right? It'd be super hot sitting here like this.
And it's nice
What?
about the fire pit though is it goes down deep enough so even if it did get big, it's still not all.
Right?
It's still low enough, so it's good.
And
You can fit more wood in there.
Okay, you ready?
Huh?
Cheers. Whoop. Hot dog.
Mmm.
Mmm.
I was
That's
going schooling in so much.
Well.
You can.
Mmm. Delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Well, here's to the hot dog and the All-American Fire Pit, brought to you by your friends here at Golden's Cast Iron. Ella, you've done a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks to our crew. I have our two other little kids back here. Ryder, our sound man. Say what's up, Ryder.
Hi.
And Annabelle, my other daughter, on the...
Hey,
So, you know, it's a family affair here at Golden's Cast Iron. All right, well, we're back. Did you enjoy your hot dog?
Yes, it was very good.
Very good.
Yep.
Now, we always have dessert with family, right?
Of course.
Now, is
Dessert's
there
the best
any
part.
better dessert than s'mores?
Well, it depends on what kind of s'mores you have.
What kind of s'mores do we have?
So with us, instead of graham crackers, we use Ritz Crackers. Instead of Hershey's chocolate, we use Reese's cup. And that is the best kind of s'mores you can have.
That is the best kind of s'mores you can have. So, we have a full crew here behind us, right?
Right, yes.
So why don't we load up a few marshmallows on
Okay.
our poker skewer, and
Okay.
then we'll just go. I'll do two,
And I'll do two
each.
too.
and everybody has their own way of doing the marshmallows the right way.
Right. Some people like it crispy, some people like it black, and some people don't just like it very white.
Right? So where are you in this mix?
So when I make my s'mores, I don't put it in the flame. I try to put it at the very bottom where it's like the
Coals?
yes.
Do you have a s'more dance? Here, I'll hold this. Can I see your s'more dance?
I do not have a s'more
You don't have a s'more dance. I have a s'more dance. You ready? It goes like this. S'mores! We're making s'mores! Does that work or no?
Uh-oh.
What's on fire? Nice. That one's a little charred. That can be Annabelle's?
Yes.
No.
I know Annabelle backstage is, oh, I see her saying yes, yes, yes.
No, that's okay. That'll be mine. I'll take that one. I'll take that
You
one.
know what's really funny?
What's that?
Is well, you have your s'more and it gets so oozy, but then it falls in the fire.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Luckily, we have a whole bag full of marshmallows, is that right?
A whole bag full. Yep.
Nice. I like that. All right. So, oh!
Uh-oh.
Well,
I think
see?
I was contagious.
It was. It was. So, the trick is to keep turning them, right? It's like
Right.
it's like a marshmallow rotisserie. If you keep turning them, and turning them,
It's a good way to think about
hopefully
it.
they'll get all like puffy,
Right.
right? And not charred. So if you can turn it. Do 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 do. Riveting. So what do you like so much about the combination of the Ritz and the peanut butter cup as opposed to the chocolate?
Oh, so well, I still like chocolate, but with the Reese's cup,
Whoa! There went in the fire! There's another one in the fire!
oh my goodness.
No!
Look at it, look at it.
Look at it burn. Okay. Well, we'll just start over. Look how big it got there.
Oh my,
Oh my
I
goodness.
think mine are about to fall off too.
Okay, all right, okay, here, let's see if we can save it. Let's see if we can save it. Save
Okay,
it.
so let's open it.
Hurry.
Okay, so my favorite, so I like the Reese's.
Uh-huh.
It's because it's peanut butter and chocolate, and it's like sweet and salty.
Right.
And then with the Ritz, it's also salty, and I feel like it's flakier and crispier.
Okay.
Oh, you're hurried so much.
Oh,
Okay,
gosh.
there we go.
Okay, here's that.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, you take this one. You take that one.
Trade off.
Oh.
Oh my.
Okay, here.
Mm.
Yeah, where's it? Oh, there's a cup out.
It still has a wrapper on it.
Color wrapper on.
Oh.
Look at you. You're cheating. You're going too fast. Not fair. I gotta heat mine back up. Is it good?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, here, help me with the get this. No, smush it with the cracker. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna switch this around.
There you go.
This is how we're gonna do it.
Magnificent. This is a good s'more right here.
This is probably the best s'more I think I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And who came up with this wonderful recipe?
I think Mommy did.
Was it your mother? Yeah. She is amazing in so many ways. Look at that. Look at that right there.
Oh my goodness.
That's what we call fun in between two crackers. Well, we have a whole crew to feed.
Yes, we do.
So,
Our s'more making gear and shift.
s'more making gear in shift.
Yep.
I love it. High five on that. Here, let's get a sticky high five. Come on. Sticky high five. Come on, sticky high five. All right, guys. Well, we appreciate you being here. We're going to have to make a whole bunch more s'mores for everybody
Yeah.
here. And thank you so much for coming in.
Yes, thank
We appreciate
you.
it. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys. And
Bye.
bye.
I'm gonna go. I make my own.
Mr. Todd, have you had one with the Reese's and Ritz?
I've never had
Oh, we need a video of Mr. Todd's reaction.
No, we will. Let's burn this off first.
I got one.
No, on that.
Okay.
Watch
No
out, look
fault.
at
Ooh, that goes to leave.
this. Oh my God.
Buckley, I No.
That's like no worth.
Yeah, that's a perfect marshmallow. Whose is this?
Right.
Happy, happy, happy.
All right. This one's Mr. Todd's.